Yo boys, before we get into this video, if you would like the chance to win a 10 coin promo on Rain, all you have to do is comment your Discord name and like this video. Now I'm gonna draw two people from the last video. First winner is going to be Yoko. Second winner is going to be, let's see. Second winner is Patrick. Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video here on Vaulty. We're once again back on Rain.gg. We have 650 coins to play with, and before we get into the video, if you would like to play on Rain, don't forget to head over to deposit, use code Vaulty and apply. If you do so, you will automatically join our 600 coin weekly leaderboard, and you also get a 5% deposit bonus. So let's get straight into the video. We're gonna start off with putting 25 coins on triple here on Rain. Pot is at 20k, so this could actually hit. Don't think I've seen it this high before. So please start it off straight away with a nice hit there. Come on, please. Loading. Nah, that's not it. Let's go over to the battles instead. 106 coins, and let's throw in a 1% as well. Outback. 124 coins. 2 versus 2 crazy jackpot. Let's start it all off with the dub here. Nothing on the first one. Scream, please. No. Okay, that's a hit on 5% gem. Please be a knife now. Don't be the Glock, don't be the SMG. Stop! No, okay, that's still good. Still really good. That's 300, okay. Now, Rainbow 10, please. You hit as well. Okay, another hit on Rainbow 5. And there's 4 cases left. Now Rainbow 10 just needs 1 hit. Okay, that's not so good, but we'll take it, 81 coins. Come on. 3 cases left. Just 1 hit. Okay, that's bad for the percentage. That's really bad. But that's good. He loses a lot of percentage. Last case. Okay. They have 20%. And they somehow win. What the fuck? Okay, we need to hit this one. We haven't won anything yet. Okay, it's going. Stop. Okay, still a good start. Shows a goal now. Okay, that's like 250, right? 250. Okay, good start. Go down. Okay, that's still good. Stop. Okay, USB, that's really bad. 2 cases left. These are more expensive. Of course not hit. Last case. Magnetic. Nah. Okay, this is barely gonna be money back if we do win. We don't win this one either. Okay, we don't seem to have any luck today. Let's go over here. Let's do 19 coins here. Let's throw the rest there. Can we just get a triple jackpot, please? Oh, no. Let's just do quick 25 coins. Let's go over here. That should be a hit. Nice. Now this is the thing. Now we're gonna take this 125 coins and we're gonna do it again. Inventory. Select. Another 5x, and we're gonna do up here. Please, let us hit this one. Okay, that's not that hit. Should have went down here. Let's try once more. 25 coins up there. Top. Nah, down there again. This is only risky cases, so if we see a hit in either one of them, it's gonna pay. Like, this should pay. Come on. Show us a goal there. Up fade. Up fade again. Come on. How much are those? How much? 1.4k. Oh my god. Come on. Battle is already paying. 1.4k. Come on. Okay, and we hit that as well. But now we're gonna have a... No, we're not gonna have any percentage almost. Stop. Okay, that's still 600. Last case, come on. Hit bottom left. No, okay, 40%. Please let us snipe this one. Please. I don't understand how we don't win these jackpots. Come on. Please. Wasted, but we'll still take it. That's like, yeah, 40 coins. Come on. 5% gloves, please. No. No. Okay, next case, 1%er. Just give us a hit. No. Come on. Stop. Nah, what a bait. Okay, last case. And you bait us again. Double bait, okay. Can we win something back? Okay, first battle win of the video. 29 coins. Let's just do like this. Half there, half there. Please bait. Bait or rain. Stop. Okay. At least it's bait, it's bait. 100 coins. We're gonna go all in with this over here instead. 2 versus 2, regular jackpot again. Come on, could this be the comeback? Please. No. Come on. We haven't won anything the whole video. Just do something. We deserve a win. Okay, so far it's looking so dry. Two cases left. Please. Last case, can you save us? Nap time, please. Not a single hit. 25%. Okay, I think that is it, boys. We have 5 coins left. Let's just throw it all on rain. And let's see. Did we just miss one? No. Almost. Okay, last 5 coins on here. And yes, thank you boys so much for watching the video. If you would like to play on rain, don't forget to head over to deposit, use code Vaulty, please. Hit apply. If you do so, you automatically join the 600 coin weekly leaderboard. And yeah, we will see you boys in the next video instead. I'm just gonna see if this hits. Hit. No. See you in the next video, boys.